Ayan guys, ang ating recipe for today is maraming samut-sari. Hello everyone, would like to tell you yung aking mga recipe. First, yung aking rice, koshari. Ayan, koshari. And this is the sauce. Ayan siya guys, tomato sauce yan. Hindi yan fresh tomato po yan. Ayan, kasi gusto nila mga fresh. Tapos ito yung mix na ayan. Ayan. Diba? All in one. At ito yung aking yummy chicken butter. Ayan siya guys. So, let's take a look kung ano magiging labas nito. And anyway, make a love shout out sa aking mga new followers. Ayan siya. See guys, ganyan ang isang Ate Alex Jana TV. Shout out Jaran. Here we go. Andun yung isa kong telephone kasi wala akong internet. God bless mama. Chup chup. Babus.